In today's economy, managing money wisely is crucial, no matter your income level. Side hustles present a fantastic opportunity to boost your earnings, with the potential to make an extra $1,000 each month through various creative avenues. Whether it's freelancing, selling handmade goods, or offering services, these ventures can significantly enhance your financial stability. By exploring side hustles, you not only increase your income, but also gain valuable skills and experiences. Creative side hustles offer a unique opportunity to increase your earnings while pursuing your passions. Unlike traditional part-time jobs, which often come with skepticism regarding their effectiveness and flexibility, side hustles allow individuals to leverage their skills and creativity for financial gain. Many people have found success in areas like graphic design, content creation, or handmade crafts, proving that these ventures can be both fulfilling and lucrative. To help navigate this landscape, we'll rank the top side hustles based on real experiences from those who have successfully turned their creativity into income. By exploring these options, you can discover the potential that lies within your own talents and interests. Officiating volleyball games can be an exciting and rewarding side hustle, offering the potential to earn between $800 to $1,000 monthly by refereeing just 2 to 3 games each week. This flexible opportunity allows you to set your own schedule, making it easy to balance with other commitments while enjoying the thrill of being part of the game. Many find joy in the camaraderie of the sport and the satisfaction of ensuring fair play. If you have a passion for volleyball and a knack for leadership, consider sports officiating as a viable option for supplemental income. It's a great way to stay active, engage with the community, and boost your earnings. Teaching in a prison education program can be a fulfilling side hustle, with the potential to earn around $118,000 a year by dedicating just 2 nights a week. This role not only provides a substantial income, but also allows educators to make a significant impact on the lives of incarcerated individuals, helping them gain valuable skills and knowledge that can lead to successful reintegration into society. By fostering a positive learning environment, you contribute to breaking the cycle of recidivism and empowering students to pursue better futures. However, this position typically requires additional education, such as a master's degree or specialized training, to effectively teach and support these learners. Working at a grocery store can be a practical side hustle, especially for those seeking flexible hours. By taking on evening and weekend shifts, you can easily earn around $1,000 monthly, making it a viable option for supplemental income. This job is accessible to many individuals, regardless of experience, as grocery stores often provide on-the-job training and a welcoming environment for newcomers. The retail sector offers a variety of roles, from stocking shelves to assisting customers, allowing you to find a position that suits your skills and interests. If you're looking for part-time work that fits your schedule and provides steady earnings, consider exploring opportunities in grocery retail. Selling propagated plants can be a delightful side hustle, allowing you to earn a couple of $100s weekly by cutting and selling plant stems. This venture not only provides a source of income, but also brings the joy of gardening into your life. Nurturing plants and watching them thrive can be incredibly rewarding, and sharing your green creations with others fosters a sense of community among fellow plant enthusiasts. Whether you're selling at local markets, online, or to friends and family, there's a growing demand for unique and healthy plants. If you have a passion for gardening, consider exploring this fulfilling side hustle that combines creativity, nature, and entrepreneurship. Pool cleaning can be a lucrative side hustle, with earnings ranging from $150 to $250 per pool cleaned. This service is especially in demand during the warmer months when homeowners are eager to maintain their pools for enjoyment and relaxation. As a pool cleaner, you can set your own schedule, making it a flexible option for those looking to supplement their income. The seasonal nature of this work allows you to focus on it during peak times, maximizing your earnings while enjoying the outdoors. If you're looking for a rewarding side hustle that combines physical activity with the potential for good pay, consider diving into the pool cleaning business. Car detailing can be a rewarding side hustle, allowing you to earn approximately $250 weekly by cleaning 3 to 5 cars on weekends, plus tips from satisfied customers. The satisfaction of transforming a dirty vehicle into a sparkling masterpiece is immensely gratifying, as you witness the immediate results of your hard work. This hands-on job not only provides a source of extra income, but also allows you to connect with car owners who appreciate your attention to detail. To maximize your success in this venture, consider investing in quality equipment and supplies, which can enhance your efficiency and the overall results. If you enjoy working with your hands and take pride in your work, car detailing could be the perfect side hustle for you. Participating in craft shows can be a lucrative side hustle, with the potential to earn around $1,000 monthly by selling your handmade crafts and artwork. This venture allows you to tap into your creativity, transforming your artistic talents into beautiful products that resonate with customers. Whether you create jewelry, home decor, or unique art pieces, craft shows provide a platform to showcase your work and connect with fellow artisans and buyers. The joy of sharing your creations and receiving positive feedback can be incredibly fulfilling. If you have a passion for crafting or art, consider exploring this opportunity to turn your hobbies into a profitable income stream while expressing your creativity. Start a YouTube channel without showing your face. Making faceless YouTube videos is a great way to create content without ever showing your face. Whether you're concerned about privacy, prefer to stay behind the scenes, or just want to focus purely on your content, faceless videos offer the flexibility to do so. There are many types of faceless videos you can create. Animation and motion graphics are great for explainer content and storytelling, while screen recordings and tutorials work well for educational or tech-related videos. Voiceovers combined with stock footage or B-roll footage are also effective, and these types of videos are extremely popular. Even without appearing on camera, your voice can still play a huge role. A clear, confident voice can engage your audience just as much as your on-screen presence would. If you're nervous about speaking, practice your script beforehand to sound natural and authentic. One of the biggest keys to success in faceless videos is the quality of your content. Whether you're using animations, stock footage, or screen recordings, ensure your visuals are clear, your audio is crisp, and your editing is smooth. Great editing can make even a simple faceless video look professional. And like any YouTube channel, consistency is important. Uploading regularly helps you build an audience and keep them coming back for more. Remember, you don't need to show your face to create engaging, high-quality content. Just focus on delivering value and connecting with your audience. For more on how you can start your own faceless channel, you'll find information in the description below. Intentionality is crucial when it comes to managing extra income from side hustles. Earning more money without a clear plan can often lead to wasteful spending, diminishing the benefits of your hard work. To maximize your earnings, it's essential to create a purposeful budget that outlines how you intend to allocate your side hustle income. This approach not only helps you prioritize savings and investments, but also ensures that your extra earnings contribute to your financial goals. To assist in this process, consider downloading budgeting apps that can simplify tracking your income and expenses. By being intentional with your finances, you can make the most of your side hustle earnings and build a more secure financial future. In summary, we've explored several exciting side hustles, including officiating volleyball games, teaching in prison education programs, working at grocery stores, selling propagated plants, pool cleaning, car detailing, participating in craft shows, and starting a faceless YouTube channel. Each of these opportunities offers unique potential earnings, ranging from a few hundred to over $1,000 monthly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial insights and analysis. Check out this next video.